Hello everyone, welcome to JavaScript series. Today we will see about filter and find method in JavaScript. Both are array method in JavaScript, while filter gives you multiple results and find stop at the first match. Let's say we have an array of numbers and want to find all even numbers. Okay, let's say we have const numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we have to find even numbers. So we will use filter method here because we have to find all the even numbers, and filter gives you multiple results. Okay, filter returns an array of all the elements and we want all the even numbers. So we will use filter here. Filter accepts callback function as an argument. Okay, inside this I am writing num. Okay, we want all the even numbers. So return, I am returning if num $2 is equals to 0. Okay, here I am consoling even numbers. Okay, saving the file. Now we will execute the code. See, 246. The answer is 246. All the even numbers in the array. So I am repeating the definition. Filter returns an array of all elements that pass a test provided by a callback function. Okay, it is returning all the even numbers in the array. 2, 4, 6. Now I am using find instead of filter here. See, I am copying this. Even numbers, I am changing the 1. Okay, and here I am writing 1. Okay, and instead of filter, writing find. Guess what will be the output? Okay, I didn't save this file. Yeah, now see 2. In case of find method, it is returning true, and in case of filter, it is returning the array of elements that passes the callback condition. Find returns the first element that passes the condition. Only the first element. See, 2 is passing. Yeah, find will return 2 only. When will you use filter? If you need all matches. Okay, and when will you use find? If you only need the first match. We will see with the another example. I am removing this. If I want the array of element which is greater than 4. Okay, greater than numbers dot filter. I am passing callback here num and return num which is greater than 4. Simple. Okay, I am logging greater than 4. For find, I am writing greater than 4. Now you see what will be the output. The output is 5 and 6. It is returning array of all elements that passes this condition. 5 and 6. 5 and 6 are greater than 4. Okay. Now I am changing this filter to find. Okay. Saving the file. See, only the 5. Only the first element. Only the first matching element. Understood? This is the difference between filter and find. Find returns only first matching element and filter returns all the matching elements in an array. Thank you for watching.